everyone, this is Sarbi here to explain you top 10 career options after passing class 12. So let's just begin the video without further ado. So the very first option that you can pursue is your MBBS. You all are very familiar about all this thing. Everybody must have once have said that I have to become a doctor when I'll grow up, right? You can become doctor by doing MBBS, okay? And the degree is known as Bachelor of Medical and Surgery. And the entrance exam is, of course, you all are very familiar about that also. That's NEET. And the career options are you can become a doctor, you can become a surgeon, you can become a medical officer, and you can become a specialist as well in particular field of medical sciences. Okay, yes. And the second option is BDS. You can also pursue and go with BDS as well, which means dentist. You can become a dentist. Okay, and the degree is known as Bachelor of Dental Surgery. Okay, and the entrance exam is of course NEET. You all are familiar with it already. And the career options are dentist, orthodontist, and dental surgeon. Okay, yes. Now the third career option is BMS. You can also do BMS with Ayurvedic doctor. You can become. Its full form is Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. Okay, so you can pursue and you can go for BMS as well. The entrance is NEET. And the career options are you can become a Ayurvedic practitioner. Okay, as a practitioner you can work in Ayurvedic companies. After that you can do hospital jobs and you can have your own clinics as well. So these are all the career options after doing BMS. Okay, the fourth one is BHMS. Now most of the people go for BHMS. BHMS means you can become a homeopathy doctor. Homeopathy के आप डॉक्टर बन सकते हो. And the degree is known as Bachelor of Homeopathic Medical and Surgery. You can do it. Okay. After that entrance is you know already. Most of the ये सारे जो courses हैं ये आपको NEET करके आराम से मिल जाते हैं. So entrance is NEET. Okay. And आपका इसमें career आपका रहेगा. आप homeopathic doctor बन सकते हो. आप private clinic अपना खोल सकते हो. आप research में भी जा सकते हो after doing BHMS. तो यहाँ पे BHMS करने के आपको काफी सारे distinct career options मिलते हैं. That's why people prefer doing BHMS. Okay. After that, BSc Nursing. BSc Nursing is not only famous in India, but it is also famous all over the world and in abroad as well. Most of the people opt for this because it's a 4-year course and you will just get to know everything which is needed for you to get to know about medical and sciences. So it is a very good and reputed job in India as well as in abroad. Okay, so in BSc Nursing, the entrance exam is NEET, or you can have your state exams. For example, I live near SGPGI, and in SGPGI, I live in Uttar Pradesh. So Uttar Pradesh have a state exam that is known as CNET. Okay, in that, if you score well, then you get selected to a particular government college from where you can start your BSc Nursing process. Okay, and those colleges which select you offer you BSc Nursing in a very low price. Okay, otherwise, if you are opting BSc Nursing from a private college, it will be going to be very expensive for you. Now the career options for this is you can become a staff nurse, you can become a hospital manager as well, you can become a government nurse, so you can become a government hospital nurse. Our sixth career option is BPT. You can also opt BPT, which is Bachelors of Physiotherapy. So it has also a wide ranging career options. If you do physiotherapy, then it's also very good for you. It is a course of 4.5 years and the career options are you can become a physiotherapist. You already know the value of physiotherapist in India nowadays, where the youth are suffering from these problems. You can just become a physiotherapist and you will good to go for your earning for your whole life. You are going to earn well. Okay. After doing Bachelors of Physiotherapy, you can also have your clinic in which you can give physiotherapy. So you can also go for that. Okay, so that the next career option is B Pharma, that is known as Bachelor of Pharmaceutics. Okay, the course is of 4 years. Okay, and the career option are you can become a pharmacist, you can become a drug inspector, you can become to any pharma company jobs as well. This is all the career options that you will get after doing B Pharma. Okay, आजकल के ज़माने में B Pharma की भी like बहुत ज़्यादा career options है because medicine किसको नहीं चाहिए रहती है. Everybody is alive. Most of the youth and people of India are surviving just because of medicine. So you can also do B Pharma. After that, the eighth career option is BSc in Biology fields. Okay, BSc in Biology fields is the most done degree after 12th. So let me just tell you how many biology fields are there in which you can opt BSc. There is microbiology, biotechnology, zoology, botany, genetics and biochemistry as well. Okay, so what are the career options? The very first career option is you can do lab research, you can do teaching, you can do research in government labs, you can also do MSc and after that PhD and you will become a scientist as well. You can also become a scientist if you do BSc in a particular field. The ninth career option is paramedical courses you can opt. The options are you can do MLT, you can do radiology, you can do ऑपरेशन थिएटर टेक, यू कैन डू डायलिसिस टेक. ठीक है, तो आजकल के ज़माने में यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट हाउ दीज थिंग्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट टू द इंडिविजुअल्स ऑफ इंडिया. सो यू कैन जस्ट डू पैरामेडिकल कोर्सेज एज वेल. दिस हैव ऑल्सो अ गुड स्कोप. ओके, एंड द करियर ऑप्शंस आर you can do job in government hospitals, you can do diagnostic jobs and you can also work as technicians in lab. Okay, after that the last career option is BSc agriculture, that is also known as horticulture, या फिर आप forestry कर सकते हो, इसी में ही है ये BSc agriculture के ही अदर नेम्स हैं. द एंट्रेंस इज आपको बहुत सारे स्टेट एग्जाम्स होते हैं या आपके लिए इसके अलग अलग एग्जाम्स भी होते हैं. द करियर ऑप्शंस आर कि आप एक एग्रीकल्चर ऑफिसर बन सकते हो, आप एग्रोनॉमिस्ट बन सकते हो और आप गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स भी कर सकते हो. सो दीज आर ऑल द थिंग्स दैट आई वांटेड टू एक्सप्लेन यू. इफ यू फाउंड माय वीडियो little bit useful, just do subscribe to my channel and I will upload more such videos like this. Okay, and if you have any doubt related anything and if you want any of the video in detail, मतलब कि जितने भी कोर्सेज मैंने बताए हैं उनमें से किसी भी टॉपिक पे या फिर किसी भी जॉब ऑप्शंस पे आपको अगर डिटेल में वीडियो चाहिए तो जस्ट डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड आई विल मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो ऑन दैट. ओके, तब तक के लिए जस्ट बाय.